Hi class, I wanted to provide a video where I go over the instructions for the diagnostic essay. As you can see, the diagnostic essay is one of the assignments that is due during this first week. Now I know that technically it's supposed to be due the first week and our first week ends on Sunday, August 20th. However, I did want to provide a little bit more time just for those of you who are not very familiar with writing or who have a lot of other classes going on. I wanted to provide a little bit more time. So the diagnostic essay is due on August 22nd. And actually what the diagnostic essay is, as you can see, you will find the assignment under module 1. And the diagnostic essay is a practice essay, sort of. Basically, it is an essay to let us know how you write. So this way we can see what level of writing you are in, what areas of writing you need to work on. It is modeled after the common reading response, which is an assignment that we're going to do in week 10. Every CCDE 110 class has to do the CRR. It's an English department requirement. So we also have to do, every class has to do the diagnostic essay. And again, the whole point is to see where you are at now and what you need to work on in preparation for the common reading response. So this assignment, like I mentioned, is worth 0 points. So it is not for a grade. However, it is a requirement to complete and it will count as participation. So what you have to do is you have to read an article and you have to summarize and respond to the main message of the assigned article. And you also have to give credit as you write it. You cannot rely on any other sources. Your essay should be word processed, double spaced, and in a standard 10 to 12 point font. There is no required length, but typically a summary and response is about a page to a page and a half. The article is provided in the next slide of this module, but here we have the title of the article and the author. So you want to make sure that in your summary you support your understanding of that main message by using summarized or paraphrased evidence or examples from the text, in this case the article. When you respond to the article, you want to make sure that you provide personal experiences, relevant examples, and or related observations that connect to the main message. So this is what you have to do. Now it's okay if a lot of this doesn't make sense. It's okay if you don't know how to summarize. Just try to do your best. Just try to do your best whenever you are summarizing or responding to the text. That's the whole point of this essay, to see where you are at. That way we know what skills to build on. We are going to learn how to summarize an article during the semester. So if you don't know how to do that right now, that's fine. But still, just complete the diagnostic essay to the best of your ability. And like I said, that's the whole point of the diagnostic essay, to see where you at so that I know in what areas I can help you and so that you know what areas you need to work on. So here we have the rubric, and then if we go to the next slide of the module, here we have the article. So this is the article that you have to read and you have to summarize it and respond to it. So what you're going to be submitting is a file or a Word document where you summarize this article and then you also respond to its main message. So the whole point of a summary and response is to summarize point and also the most important details from the article. And then when you respond to it, you are responding to that main point, the main idea. And a lot of the times it's basically you saying whether you agree or not, or whatever you think of the author's main point. That's basically your response. And in your response, you want to make sure that you add personal experiences and observations. In the summary, however, you just want to make sure that you just focus on the article and what it is about. So I hope that this is helpful. Like I said, this is a very low stakes assignment. It is not worth any points, but it is a requirement from the English department and it will help us see what areas you need to work on. So please let me know if you have any questions.